Terrific shot. Getting his front foot out of the way and going inside out over extra cover.
Well, there's nobody who hits the ball.
He's gone straight.
Well, that's why I was saying that if there's one man who can change the complexion of the game, it is this man. But he's got to be consistent over the next couple of overs.
Really should have been in a lot earlier. Yusuf Pathan.
He's certainly ahead of the out-of-form Rohit Sharma. He should have been up the order, but then I guess it's easy to say these things with hindsight.
Another big one. Huge, in fact, into the crowd. 17 from the over. What? Slower ones. Difficult to gauge, those split finger slower ones. Oh, that is tragedy.
Well, that's over extra cover. This one straight for a 6, and this one, you would say this is a wild hike, but it isn't. It's a calculated shot.
He's gone over the top, and I think he's got his boundary. Has it gone all the way? One bounce and out. That is a magnificent shot over extra cover. Brings up the 150 of the innings and the boundary for the over.
As if his brother can hit it over extra cover, Yusuf Pathan, Irfan Pathan shows that he can do it too.
One delivery to go. 8 runs in the bag already. 20 to get from 13. That's the equation. A slower delivery, and that's been hammered to mid-wicket. He's going to come back for the second. 10 off the over. 154 for 7. For the time being, change in bat. Also maybe a word of advice. That's the one he's targeted, and that is a flat hit for 6. The short ball. Why didn't he try the block hole?
This is a terrific shot. Short, and he's given all the time in the world for Irfan Pathan to pick his spot.
Well, I did say they worked out Yusuf Pathan's lengths, but they still haven't worked out Irfan as yet. That's gone on the offside. They're going to come back for the second. When these two came together, they put on 48 from 21 balls. That's how difficult it was. There's nobody after them, really. Of course, Zahir can clout a few. So can Ishant. He's gone inside out this time. Irfan has got another boundary. What an over. Tremendous batting by the two brothers, particularly Irfan now.
And maybe the crowd knows a little bit more than the Sri Lankan captain does, because they were saying as soon as the ball was given to Dilhara Fernando, they were saying no, 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 and maybe they know why.
5 to get from 7. Dilhara really bowling the ideal length for Irfan to work him around. And really, aren't they pumped up? It must be a terrific adrenaline rush for the two at the moment. 13 from the over, dot ball to end it. 167 for 7. Well, they've got that single. That's all they need. They're on course, India. They've got to get in a few fielders, Sunny. They've got to prevent. They've got to rely on. They've got to force these batsmen to try and find a boundary. How does Irfan react to this? Oh, brilliant! Magnificent, in fact. That's all the way. What a way to win this game. India prevail. Not for nothing have they underscored their world champion status. This is a miraculous win. The crowd is stunned, but I'm sure they've got their money's worth. And look at the Pathan brothers. They'll remember this for all time to come.
Yes, what a moment. What a moment for the brothers. And what a moment for India. This is a magnificent shot, right in the slot. and as soon as he hit it, he knew it had gone. So making up for that missed opportunity, Irfan Pathan, he might have dropped that catch, but he's made up 100 times with that innings. And look at that Indian dressing room, absolutely over the moon.
Well, this is the shot in the arm that any team would require, and get together. What a moment. True glory. I am sure the crowd is stunned into silence, extremely disappointed. But when the dust settles, they will remember the...
जो सपने देखे वो पूरे हुए, माशाल्लाह बहुत खुशी की बात है। और जब जिस तरह से यूसुफ ने परफॉर्म भी किया है और जिस तरह से उसका परफॉर्मेंस चल रहा है, फॉर्म चल रहा है जिस तरह से, बहुत बढ़िया। और आई थिंक होल फैमिली और जितने भी फैंस हैं वो बहुत खुश हैं।
यूसुफ, आपके लिए थोड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी थोड़ी देर से आई लेकिन आ गई और आप धमाल भी मचा रहे हैं। क्या कहना चाहते हैं अपने परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में?
माशाल्लाह, अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली और परफॉर्म भी किया, तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत खुशी है। और मुझे ही नहीं, पूरी फैमिली को, पूरे बड़ौदा शहर को, देश को, जितने भी चाहने वाले दोस्त लोग हैं, सभी को खुशी है कि हम दोनों भाई एक साथ खेल रहे हैं।
एक बात आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आप सिक्सेस लगाते हैं, इरफान को भी पहले सिक्सेस के लिए जाना जाता था, अब आपने तो इरफान को पीछे छोड़ा है। जितनी दूर आपके सिक्सेस जाते हैं वो डेलिब्रेट है या वो आपका नेचुरल गेम है?
नहीं, माशाल्लाह नेचुरल गेम है वो मेरा।
देखते हैं आप दोनों एक दूसरे को कितना जानते हैं। यूसुफ की सबसे अच्छी आदत?
यूसुफ की सबसे अच्छी आदत, ज़्यादा बात नहीं करता वो, और घर वालों के लिए मतलब एक पिलर कहा जाए वो है कि घर में कोई भी चीज़ की ज़रूरत होती है, यूसुफ ही पूरी करता है।
उनका फेवरेट क्रिकेटर?
फेवरेट क्रिकेटर का फेवरेट क्रिकेटर अभी तो फिलहाल तो शेन वॉर्न है, बिकॉज कैप्टन रह चुके हैं।
एक वर्ड जो यूसुफ को बहुत अच्छी तरह से डिस्क्राइब करता है? इनोसेंट। यूसुफ और आप में बेहतर कौन? हालांकि मैं जानती हूँ जवाब, फिर भी
बेहतर इन द सेंस व्हाट?
एज अ क्रिकेटर?
ऑब्वियसली
यूसुफ सारे सवाल ठीक दिए उन्होंने आपके बारे में। चलिए अब आपसे जानते हैं इरफान के बारे में। सबसे अच्छी आदत?
सबसे अच्छी आदत हंसते रहना।
खराब आदत?
खाते रहना।
एक वर्ड जो इरफान को बहुत अच्छे से डिस्क्राइब करता है?
हमेशा कोई भी सिचुएशन हो, अच्छी या बुरी, हमेशा बात करते रहना और हंसाते रहना।